Welcome back to Women World. As parents, we all want our babies to grow strong and healthy, and one of the key factors is strong bones. Calcium-rich foods like dairy products, milk, cheese, and yogurt are essential for bone growth. Don't forget vitamin D. It helps absorb calcium, and you can find it in fortified cereals, eggs, and sunlight exposure. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also packed with calcium and magnesium, which support bone health. Protein is crucial too. Foods like chicken, fish, and lentils help in bone development. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds and sesame seeds, provide healthy fats and minerals for bone strength. For extra support, include fruits like oranges, which are rich in vitamin C to aid collagen production for bones. A well-balanced diet will ensure your baby grows up with strong, healthy bones, so make these foods part of their daily meals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Women World for more updates.